What is going on, guys? We are back with another one. Today's gonna be me swapping out the in-cabin air filter, because I'm pretty sure that it hasn't been changed in 17 years, or it's probably OEM, so kind of stinks in here and I don't like the smell of it. So ordered one from Australia, just came in today, surprisingly, and yeah, we're gonna go get it. We're gonna go pick it up, and yeah, hopefully it's an easy install. So yeah, we'll catch you when I get it. Okay, boys, we got the package. This is knife. Put the camera down for a second. Boom. I didn't know it was this hard to get an air filter for your car. Usually I would just go to my local car store and pick it up, but it is JDM at least. Let's put this in. So first step, let me go to the other side. He just opened this and it should be underneath here, so let's do that. Okay, first step, take everything out of your glove box. I don't know what that is, but so this is the bottom of the glove box. You have to remove this piece, which is right there. This side one has one too. Just twist it. Okay. So this is what it is. It just says twist and pull, and boom, out. Okay. You have to remove this Phillips and this Phillips, and that's just the plate. I brought a screwdriver. This should fall out, I hope. Oh, there's 3 more up here. 1, 2, and 3. Also a Phillips. Okay. Before you remove that, you must remove this light thing. Okay, that was removed from there, so you can take that down. So you have to unplug this. And then it should be this plate. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, you have to unplug this. This little clip here. Little clip right here. Got that clip out. And this is weird. So this is in the way, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work. Honestly, it's a pretty shitty design. That's very odd. This is like all the way from the dash. There's no way removing it. Unless I could be wrong. Yeah, if you could see, it's one whole piece. And this air filter is in the way. Like, you can't even remove it. That is odd. Wonder if there's a way I could just drop this. Oh my god, you see all the dust? Jesus. I don't know what type of dust that was, but we got it out. This is kind of stupid, but this like is in the way, so like I had to like go upward, which is kind of weird to put it in, because like, yeah, you have to bend down just to get it out, but we've got it out. Let's put the new filter in. Yeah, should go this way. Boom, everything's back in. Just put everything back in now. Okay, this goes garbage. Let's start her up. Where's my keys? Okay, let's see if this still smells bad, because I'm pretty sure it hasn't been changed. Very Japanese. Smells way better. If you guys get to know what I was smelling when I got this car, it literally smelled like some old ass socks. Turn this down, should be good. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you guys a few stuff of me fixing the car. But yeah, we will be doing a lot of videos soon. I'm just waiting for parts. Like, everything's been closed, nothing's been shipped. All the stuff I bought, all the towns are on lockdown. But hope you guys are safe, and we'll definitely see you guys soon. So stay inspired. Peace.